Yusra. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I have Mirza with me and I also have a mystery box full of snacks by Tokyo Street that I got. And these are actually Japanese snacks. इसके अंदर candies हैं, crisps हैं, इसके अंदर well, there are a lot of things, okay? Like this box is full and I'm so excited to open this up and try it out in front of you guys. As you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see or not, like, okay. So like literally it's full of snacks and I'm really excited to try. So I've been dreading this, okay? We're going to start with this. No, this is my favorite, we're going to leave it for last. We're going to start with this. The first snack that we're going to start with is Kit Kat, and it is Kit Kat Orange. I hate chocolate and orange together. I don't think they belong together. इसी में से खाएंगे?
नहीं, दो दूसरी खा लेते हैं.
मैंने नहीं खानी पूरी. So this is what this tiny snack looks like. And ये Japanese Kit Kat है. Japan में Kit Kat is known to have like various flavors. I don't like the way it smells at all. भाई दो क्यों खो रही है? मुझे अच्छी नहीं लगती है. You have to give your comments. You have to wait for me to try. Mirza doesn't know jack shit. Like I don't like it.
No, it's supposed to be this way. Chocolate and orange, they go together.
I don't like this. I mean, the chocolate, the orange part of it is very zesty and orangey, which is good. But मुझे ना chocolate और orange एक साथ समझ नहीं आता. And for our palate cleanser, we have apple cider. Sorry, my lipstick is all over it. So guys, this is the next snack that we have. I have no idea what this is. लेकिन इसको पील करके आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या होगा? Oh, हमें rate भी करना था. Oops. So Kit Kat Orange को I rate 6 on 10.
Yeah, I think this is it's
maybe 5 on 10.
It's 9 or 8 on 10 because this is made for like it's especially for those who like chocolate with orange. If you don't like it, then you don't buy it. As simple as that.
I didn't buy it. I asked them to send me a mystery box.
So these
आपको क्या लगता है क्या होगा? मुझे लग रहा है crisps हैं.
Choco balls or something, you know, some sort of.
I don't know. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये sweet होंगे?
Yeah.
मुझे लग रहा है कि ये savory होंगे, but I don't know. Open it up. ऐसे करना कि हम उसको reseal कर सकें.
Reseal तो नहीं होगा ये.
मतलब बंद कर सकें ना बाद में, वरना हम अभी सारा तो नहीं खा सकते.
Reseal तो.
इसलिए मैं कह रही हूँ मुझे थोड़ा.
These are not sweet, obviously.
These are savory. Oh my god, I think I'm going to like them. They're savory snacks. इसी में से ले लेना.
क्यों?
These are what they look like. You have to wait for me.
अरे आपने first taste.
No, you have to wait for me. We have to taste it together. I do not want to do a video with this person again. These are ketchup flavored.
Yeah, these are nice.
I really like them.
वो ना
हमारे यहाँ सस्ते वाले चिप्स होते हैं ना जो पान वाले के
Yeah,
पास
but
मिलते
this
हैं.
like सही है, इतने भी अच्छे नहीं हैं.
I like them. Like they're not.
I think जापान में भी ये शायद उनके हिसाब से 4-5 रुपए के होंगे.
Yeah.
अच्छी क्वालिटी के नहीं है ये.
They're not the best chips I've tried, but they're good. I like them. I would rate these. पता है? Actually एक chips आते हैं cherry balls.
ये उनसे नहीं है बिल्कुल.
They're like cherry balls.
नहीं भाई.
They are like cherry balls. I've had cherry balls ketchup flavored a lot of times and they're like cherry balls, and I would rate them 6 on 10.
No, I think I'll rate them 5 on 10.
Okay guys, so the next snack that we have is called Hurulu. This is what it looks like, and I'm guessing this is like a biscuit, like
yeah,
a
this is a biscuit.
I think मुझे ना ये lottie pile जैसा लग रहा था, but it's a biscuit. It's a sugar biscuit. It's literally a biscuit. This is like a Danish क्या? Danish biscuit. Danish biscuits नहीं होते?
हाँ, वैसे taste wise.
जिसके अंदर अम्मी जो है वो सुई धागा रखती हैं, उसका जो Danish biscuits का जो डब्बा होता है.
Taste wise is a very nice and very like they इनका जो overall texture वगैरह ना
it's very light. It's very light and fluffy.
But at the same time I really like that like एक पैकेट में एक ही था. So you don't have to like buy an entire pack if you're going to Japan. and-
Actually, usually in Japan, everything is individually packed because लोग A इतना ज़्यादा खाते नहीं हैं, B they take things on the go, so they need things that are individually packed. So आपको सारी even bananas आपको individually packed मिलता है. I love watching like Japanese snacks and Japanese stuff, which is why I know about this. I'm going to rate this a 7 on 10.
Yeah, I think I'll rate them 7 on 10.
These are tiny pancakes. You guys know Japan is known for tiny pancakes, और वो इस तरह की tiny चीज़ें जो हैं वो lunch boxes में डालते हैं. Do you know about bento box?
No.
So Japanese culture में, I don't know if Japanese culture, but they're really trendy lunch boxes that have a theme, and like moms create bento boxes for their kids, and like they're really cute. और उसके अंदर ये tiny.
I just know about the lunch boxes that our moms used to create for us.
जिसमें शामी कबाब.
So shami kebab, cheese, ande.
अंडे कौन लेके जाता था स्कूल?
Boiled eggs. I used to get boiled eggs too when I was a kid.
Ew. Oh, okay,
It's
so
not
it has a
supposed to.
chocolate filling inside.
Yeah.
How do we eat this? Wait,
I'll eat it.
I'll break it in half.
नहीं ये नहीं होगा इस तरह. It's not a chocolate filling, I think.
It's a
something
pancake with
else.
chocolate filling. Okay. Oh,
What?
what is your problem? You have to wait for me.
Okay, let's do it together.
1, 2, 3. I like it, but not a lot.
I don't like it at all. Like it's very ordinary. There's nothing too like great about it.
This is like a 6 on 10 for me.
Lipstick. Sorry. This is like a 6 on 10.
For me, what would you rate it?
4 on 10. This is a failed product.
This is called Mitsuwa cider. Mitsuwa cider. This is what it looks like. And Mirza has a green apple flavor, I'm assuming, and I think I have grape. But I'm just assuming by the color. I don't know.
No, but there's nothing green
Yeah, there is.
about the candy.
This is what it looks like on the inside.
Oh, I like it. हमारे यहाँ
You know what this tastes like?
Sharp taste.
This tastes exactly like. आपने कभी? Oh, why did it get so sour?
Maybe it's supposed to be
Did
that.
yours
way.
get sour?
Mm.
It's like cider. It is called cider, but it has a fizzy taste to it.
Mm.
And ooh,
It's like I'm having some soft drink.
I like what it does.
अच्छा मेरे वाली का जो टेस्ट था ना, it tasted like वो जो बचपन में हम बारबी की लॉटी की बारबी वाली जो च्युइंगम आती थी ग्रेप फ्लेवर में, उसका slightly खट्टा version. I really like this. This is the surprise was nice. This is 8 on 10 for me. What do you think?
I think it's a nice.
How hard you put it?
Then it's in the mouth only. Yeah. It's a nice candy, but yeah, I think 8, 9 on 10 because it has a very different taste.
8 or 9.
8.
So the next snack that we're trying are these. These are cheese and almond. Basically, वो इसी के ऊपर लिखा है. I don't like almond and I don't like cheese.
You do like cheese.
I don't like cheese.
Okay, it's like a
Cheese cracker with almond. It's very light and flaky.
Smells really nice.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, I like it.
This is good.
Mm.
I can't explain.
It's really nice.
It's like I would have this with like. Okay, it has a weird aftertaste. It was really flaky, but उसकी cheese का ना एक aftertaste था, which I did like. But if वो cheese का aftertaste नहीं होता, then it would have been an 8 on 10 for me. But क्योंकि aftertaste था, तो it is a 7 on 10 for me. But I
think
really
it's-
liked it.
It's still 8
It
on
was
10
a
for me.
different thing. We've never had this
Kafi,
before.
it had a very strong taste, and then like the first bite you take, you can feel it. Like for
You
instance,
can feel it flaking in your mouth.
yeah, and then there's this like it has a strong smell, it has a strong taste. I liked it. I think it's a good snack if you get a big pack with lots of these in the pack. Then maybe it's a good snack for you while you're watching movies or something.
By the way, मिर्जा को खाते हुए snacks ख्याल आ रहे थे कि हलाल है या नहीं, and all of them are halal because I asked for a halal box.
Halal box.
Yeah. Next we have this.
What is this?
I don't know.
Looks like a mic.
It is a mic and it has candies inside. ये मोजो के मुंह में आ गया था, मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से
हाँ।
बचाया था. मोजो इसको लेके पूरे घर में घूम रहा था. इसको खोलना.
कैसे?
खुल गया. Oh, I don't think I like this. No, don't try it without me.
Looks like a medicine.
I don't think I like this. मुझे इस तरह की गंदी ये जो है ना बहुत गंदी लगती हैं.
गोलियां.
This is what
Tablets.
it looks like. It looks like Panadol. 1, 2, 3.
Or do we bite it?
मुझे तो कोई टेस्ट ही नहीं आ रहा. बाइट करो.
I think it's just like a useless.
Yeah, a useless product just for kids. I think, you know, the kids who like such packaging, their mics and everything, and the product has no taste. Trusty candies भी नहीं. जब बच्चे छोटे होते थे ना, पुरानी बात है. They used to go out and they used to like buy fake गोलियाँ,
आठानी की छालियाँ.
नहीं छालियाँ नहीं, गोलियाँ कि जी लगेगा मेडिसिन खा रहा हूँ. तो सस्ती चीनी वाली है ना, पैराडोल टाइप गोलियाँ मिलती थी and
कहाँ
kids used to
मिलती है?
eat.
क्या हो गया है?
I'm telling you ना, होती थी और वो बच्चे एक्टिंग करते थे. तुम भी करती थी? I know
मैंने तो
that.
नहीं देखी ऐसी कभी. I know that. क्या मुझे बचपन से तो नहीं जानते.
जानता हूँ, बिल्कुल जानता हूँ.
No, he knows me since I was in like 9th grade.
नर्सरी.
He's lying. नर्सरी से कोई किसी को जान सकता है.
भाई जाहिर सी बात है, जानता हूँ.
नर्सरी से तो नहीं जानते थे, झूठ नहीं बोलो. Next snack that we're going to have is a sweet one. This is what it looks like. It is a candy again, and let's see. ये क्या है? Oh, this is like, I know what this is going to taste like. The Candyland
I
की
really
candy.
like the packaging.
This is what the candy looks like. खाओ ना, मैंने खा ली है.
क्यों खाइए? Without me.
This is like, it tastes like strawberry milkshake.
But again, you know, we have lots of candies over here that taste exactly the same.
No,
Yeah.
I like this. It's like strawberry milkshake, and this candy is a 8 on 10 from me. That candy, sugar wali, was a 0 on 10. It was literally nothing.
Yeah, it's good.
Next we have,
We can give it 8 on 10.
oh sorry, 8 on 10.
Yeah, because I don't think it's a bad candy.
Next we have these. These are like crisps. एक ही खुलेगा.
सीधा
मिर्जा
रखो ना.
जो है ना वो नदीदे बच्चों की तरह होता है. I
No,
really,
सीधा hold it. सीधा, you've been showing it ulta.
I don't know. I think I'm going to like these. These are like prawn crackers and I love prawn crackers. So, and I love how Japan का जो है ना serving size बहुत छोटा है. It smells.
I love prawn crackers. अभी देख लेते हैं कितना किसको क्या पसंद है.
It smells exactly.
Prawn लग रहा है prawns.
It's
अभी समुद्र से निकले भी नहीं है prawns. जरा खा के देखें अब आप.
It smells like कच्चे prawn. It smells so fishy.
चलो खाते हैं.
One,
1, 2,
2,
3.
3. खाओ ना क्या
क्या
है?
हुआ ना?
1. अच्छा
नहीं,
आप
नहीं,
मैं
नहीं।
खिलाती हूँ, मुझे खिला देना. 1. आ करो.
आप भी. You do it first. No, आ करो. 1, 1, 2, 3.
I like it. I like it. It tastes really nice.
वैसे अब अच्छा है.
It's really
Smell बहुत
yummy.
बुरा है.
It's really yummy.
Taste बहुत अच्छा है.
This is like a 9 on 10.
मैंने तो ये पैकेट खोला और मैंने कहा मैं दिल्ली कॉलोनी पहुंच गया हूँ. Because the smell was so bad. Fish market.
9 on 10. Good job.
Eat a prawn cracker.
Why are you trying to ban my video? Why are you trying to get it banned?
It just happens, you know.
No, it doesn't happen. ये जो है ना Pocky है, and this is Pocky. This is a strawberry flavored Pocky. It is very very popular in Japan. Pocky snacks are very popular in Japan.
What is Pocky?
It's like a stick which is dipped in like fondue and then covered in stuff.
Let's see.
And मैंने जब भी जापानीज टेस्ट टेस्ट देखे हैं हमेशा पॉकी उसके अंदर होती है. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई इट आउट. ये तो टूटी हुई है.
I'll try to get a nice big one.
Okay. This
This
is
is what it looks like.
And I just know I love it. I always wanted to try Pocky. Like I always wanted to try it. और ये सबसे पॉपुलर जापानीज स्नैक है.
मुझे थोड़ी छोटी मिली है टूटी हुई. Let's try it.
I love this. So yummy. Oh my god.
This is nice, but I think कि अगर chocolate flavor होता ना, it would have been better.
Chocolate भी है हमारे पास.
Fine.
अभी try करेंगे. This is actually so yummy. I love this. Pocky is a 10 on 10.
Yeah.
Pocky is so yummy. 10 on 10. I love it. So the next thing that we have is called a blendy stick, and it says relax and go.
Yeah, let's see what this is.
Blendy stick.
I think we have to like put this in water or something.
अब ये मुझे नहीं पता वाटर में डालना है या दूध में डालना है. मैं उस वाटर में डाल रही हूँ.
या maybe यूं ही पीना है, खाना है.
नहीं यूँ क्यों खाना होगा?
Never know.
Is
Does
it?
it smell nice?
It's coffee.
देखो पानी भी नहीं डालना होगा. I think this is supposed to be like added to milk. I think. चलो अब ठंडे पानी में डालते हैं. You know we might end up making a good cold coffee or something over here.
It's coffee, right? इसके पीछे चॉकलेट है और आगे I have no idea क्या है. So, oh my god, it's so cute. बंद करो. It's so cute. It's so cute. Look how cute.
Okay. So we can try this and साथ
No, उसको हिलाना बंद करो.
नहीं तो करना जरूरी है. 1 2 3.
I like it.
It's chocolate.
It's so good. It's good chocolate. It tastes like
Wow.
dairy milk.
नहीं नहीं.
It tastes like Galaxy.
It tastes like that Kinder egg होता है ना?
No,
हाँ with the white one
No.
and with the yes.
it's like Galaxy.
अच्छा दिखाओ कॉफी.
दिखाती हूँ. It tastes like Galaxy. I did. What would you rate this? Hello Kitty.
8 on 10.
This is a
Sorry.
10 on 10.
नहीं it's just 8 on 10.
I
सही
love
है
it.
ठीक है.
10 on 10. ये वो ब्लेंडी स्टिक है. I think हमें इसे पानी में मिलाना था by the way.
I don't think so. I still think कि शायद पानी में नहीं मिलाना था but let's see.
पी लो ना. I'll have it.
I think it will taste good.
It's okay. It's I think it's a type of coffee or something.
Oh.
But if you mix it with proper,
I really like it.
if you make it properly with ice cream scoop or something, you know maybe
No,
it'll
it is bitter and cold. It has an adult flavor to it. I really
yeah, but
like
we don't know if it's supposed to be made this way. I'm sure कि ज़्यादा बेहतर भी बन सकती थी.
it. I like it. Petito. Maybe because it's petite. Petito. So, I'm going to take one. Do you want to have it with me only?
No.
I don't want to have the whole thing. ना मिर्जा, like what's your problem? मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं खा रहे हो? मेरे साथ ही
I
खाओ.
want this blue one. You want the pink one. So let's
No,
see.
I don't want to have the whole thing. It's chocolate and it's cute. It's like a chocolate ball. Sorry.
अच्छा वो पे वो
The drink थी ना, I would rate it like 9 on 10. I liked it.
I would rate
Okay,
it
8 on 10.
8 on 10.
8 on 10.
Chali ji, ready?
1, 2,
2, 3.
कट नहीं रही मुझसे. कट नहीं रही.
Little hard.
चॉकलेट कैंडी है.
You know, chocolate chocolate.
उसका बड़ा version है ये.
जो पता है, you know what I'm talking about.
हम्म.
Shaped like a soccer ball. The
और
ball.
पर उसका
उसका
हमारी
बेहतर version है बहुत.
हमारी सस्ती चॉकलेट होती थी. उसका बेहतर वर्जन है.
थोड़ा सा बड़ा है in size and there's a lot like more content of chocolate.
And it's
like.
very smooth.
Yeah.
This is like 8 on 10.
Yeah, this is 8, 9 on 10.
I've been dying to try this.
दिखाओ, what is it? दिखाओ ना, I just want to see.
It's Kit Kat cheesecake flavor. I've been dying to try
This
this.
I'm sure कि is going
ये
to have very
this
weird
is
taste to
very
it.
popular in
A
Japan.
chocolate with
Acha, by the way,
cheesecake.
guys, sorry, I'm wearing like 2 shirts inside, which is why I look this fat. I know everyone's going to write in the comments that I'm pregnant and I'm not. Okay, I might not like it.
Then you might like it.
It smells very strong.
Ready?
Yeah.
1.
2, 3.
खाओ ना.
So 1, 2, 3.
I like it. It's very unique.
What's the taste? Like what's the flavor?
Cheesecake.
Yeah, but there's no chocolate.
In this.
There is no chocolate in cheesecake.
हाँ लेकिन मतलब if Kit Kat is making it, I was assuming that maybe the coating is of like
No.
chocolate or maybe something.
Kit Kat makes, I think सबसे ज़्यादा flavors Kit Kat के जापान में बनते हैं, from matcha to green tea to orange to cheesecake.
I don't, मतलब it's okay.
I like
I
it.
would just like
I would give it a
rate
7
like
on 10.
7, yeah.
Yeah, 7 on 10. लेकिन because it is such a unique flavor, I always wanted to try it, and I'm glad I did. So, good job, Japan. Last thing that we have, and I think this is the last thing, is Pocky again, and this is Pocky
Chocolate
in chocolate. So we're just going to open one pack. Oh, this is really big.
अच्छा वो पॉकी अलग.
वो यही थी, वो एक पैक थी. These are 2 packs.
Yeah.
So
Looks nice. This is the pocky. मैंने एक निकाली और सारी बार आ गई. Sorry, technical
Difficulties चल रही हैं.
yeah.
Okay,
One,
1, 2, 3.
Why are you not leaving?
It's so good. 10 on 10.
It's really nice. I think it's dark chocolate flavor. This one.
I don't know.
It is dark chocolate. It's not normal plain chocolate.
It's yummy. This is really good.
This is a 10 on 10.
I really like it. That's really yummy. I'm taking it away from Mirza. Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check,
You
mic
dialed
check,
in a
mic check,
video.
mic check, mic check. Anyway, what was your favorite snack and how was your experience?
I still think that Kit Kat orange flavor is one of the best out of all of these because I like chocolate with mint. I like chocolate with orange and
I like chocolate with chocolate.
हाँ तो मुझे 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 थोड़ा सा पसंद है. I like mixing things with chocolate like nuts वगैरह सब कुछ. तो Yusra likes like plain chocolate. तो yeah, like it's a difference in our liking and disliking. तो मुझे सबसे अच्छी जो है वो Kit Kat with orange flavor and then these prawn chips. Yeah.
Okay. And then
And the
Pocky.
third thing, Pocky.
And then I like that Hello Kitty candy as well.
No,
And
you
that-
gave
no.
you gave your best 3. I gave my
And then
like, best
that circle candy that we had जो fizzy थी वो भी मुझे अच्छी लगी थी. I'm just saying about stuff that I like.
3. Yeah, even that the candy is good, but it's I don't think it's something too different or too unique. मतलब सही है. Even like this Kit Kat with orange is not like very unique. We do have this available in Pakistan also, but this was like much better compared to the ones जो यहाँ मिलती हैं.
Alright guys, with that I'm going to end this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.